where square root we can simplify into the power of 1 over 2. Then we seek for formula. We are going to simplify, then look for formula. If cannot, then we will proceed to technique of integration. So formula, as we can see a function of power of n here, we can try to see formula number 7, giant function formula, where integrate fx power of n. And is it we have differential function at the side here? If yes, then means this formula will be the function power plus 1 over new power, then plus c. So we can try and see our function here with the power is 1 minus x. And when we differentiate this function, it's supposed to get negative 1. So, but we have 2x here. It is totally different function. This is constant, this is linear, which means that this pattern does not fulfill our formula. When it does not fulfill our formula, then we move on to our technique, whether substitution, integration by part, or partial fraction. Look like this question is not fraction, so it's not partial fraction. And what we need to consider here is, are we using substitution or by part? So substitution is for two similar functions. This is polynomial function. Inside here also polynomial. Then by part is for two different functions. So for this question, we're going to use substitution. So start our substitution. Substitute u as fx here, 1 minus x. Then we're going to substitute what is our 2x, what is our dx. To substitute dx, we differentiate u with respect to x, we get negative 1. So du equals to negative dx, therefore dx is negative du. We're going to substitute x negative du. Then what is our x here? So from u equals to 1 minus x, so negative x will be equals to u minus 1. So x will be 1 minus u. Therefore, we can fully substitute our questions, where these questions also involving limit. So we need to change our limit here. Our function is in terms of u already. So now we need to change the value of x here to become value of u. So when x is lower limit 0, u, so substitute 1 minus 0 is 1. When x is upper limit 1, u is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. So therefore, our questions here now will bring us to integrate lower limit 0 with the u value is 1 up to x value is 1. So substitution in u, which is 0. 2, we factorize out. X is substituted by 1 minus u. And in this bracket, this is u power of 1 over 2. Dx is substituted by negative du. So now we are integrate in terms of u. So what can we do for this integration? We simplify. So coefficient negative we can take out. And at the same time, we can see this is expand. We can expand here, so it will be u power of 1 over 2 negative u power of 3 over 2 du. Then we can start integrate. Power plus 1, 3 over 2 over 3, then flip up our 2. Then minus again, power plus 1, 5 over 2 over new power 5. Then over again 2, it will be inverse. So 2 will be coefficient of at the denominator. Then upper limit, value of u is 0. Lower limit is 1. So we don't need to substitute x back. We can substitute our u value straight away. With upper unit, which is upper limit, which is 0, minus lower limit, which is 1. So here we substitute, it will be 2 over 3 minus 2 over 5. Then we simplify here, we can get our answer 8 over 15. So that's all for this. Thank you for watching.